So today is Tuesday and yesterday, Monday, I didn't make any video. That's simple because I didn't analyze any pair in the weekend, so Saturday and Sunday I didn't analyze anything. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the reasons and the problems that occurred with these reasons. So to talk about the reasons, we firstly need to talk about something that is crucial for trading, and that's consistency. So if you have been trading for just a period of time, I learned this at my third or fourth month of trading last year, 2017, that consistency is the base of trading, and that's because you need to trade and you need to study trading consistently. So every day or every week or every month, that depends on your strategy and that depends on how much you want to trade and on your personality, but the consistency topic remains. So the consistency in a trading, but really in every part of a life of a person, should be a basis of something if you want to succeed in doing something, if you want to succeed in your work, or if you want to succeed in trading. And that's something that I didn't have the last week. So I realized that I had appointments and I had to work and I didn't plan anything. So I just went into the week. It was my first week of school. I just went into the week and I just did everything as it came. So I didn't really have a planned week. And that's something that I did right on Monday. So Monday, instead of trading, I did my weekly plan and I found out for every half an hour what to do, and I planned out my time for trading, my time to study, and my time to go to school, and my time to work. So and that's really crucial in order to have time to do everything that you want to do. So to have the right amount of time to trade and the right position in the day to trade, so that you have consistency in what you do. Of course, if you miss a day, it's not a big deal, but the problem was that since I was not planned, I couldn't trade on Sunday because I didn't have time. I had to study to prepare the week for Monday. I was so tired Monday because I didn't sleep, and so Monday I just had the energy to go to school and to do my weekly plan and not to open any type of charts. I just opened a couple of charts to see if there was any special position that I could open. I just found the Aussie CAD again, but that's not the focus of today, of Tuesday. So the focus here is that I have to remind myself that I need consistency, and to have consistency I need to plan what to do in the week. And I really recommend everyone that wants to try trading and wants to start trading that he really understands that consistency, especially in the period where you are studying, which is my period now, and I'm still studying trading. I'm not a professional trader, so I need to study trading, so I really need much time to trade, not just maybe half an hour or an hour per day, but I really need so much time because I need to look at the charts, make my analysis, open my positions, and also I need additional time in order to study trading. If you didn't plan that time, you will not find yourself, and you will find yourself lost in the week, and that's what happened to me at the last week, not the last week, but the last 3 days of the week. So yeah, keep your week planned, keep your activities planned, and know what to do, when to do it, and for how much to do it. Okay, so today's Thursday, and I know I said that I would have done an update yesterday, but I didn't, as usual. But yeah, yesterday, actually on Tuesday, I think, I'm not sure 100%, I would have to look at my journal, but we hit the stop loss on the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar, and the same day we opened the position on the euro against the Australian dollar, and today we opened the position Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, and both positions are going pretty well so far. So So yeah, we are just going to see it briefly. We already did a little bit of the analysis in the last week because the pairs are the same. But yeah, we are just going briefly over the two pairs that we opened. So what we are looking now is the Euro against the Aussie pair. If you don't remember, the last time we went on stop loss here, and before going on stop loss we went down a little bit, so a little bit in profit, and then going up again to hit the stop loss around here. So the stop loss was positioned here, if I'm not mistaken. So then the pair went all the way up till here, till this bigger range of resistance. Then the price made three tops with decreasing values. So we took these values as entry points. Actually, I took this value exactly as entry point. So I entered around here. A little bit of consolidation here, going a little bit up, and then the price moved all the way down without actually even going in the range of the stop loss. We are now seeing the Aussie against the Canadian dollar. On this pair we tried to enter here, then we went up a little bit, and then by touching the Kijun the price went down again, hitting our stop loss, but the price still remained around the range. It didn't close the week out of the range, so I was able again to re-enter in the same pair, and I will now show you exactly where I entered. So if we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, we see here that the price went down, forming this shape that looks like a cup and handle. Besides the fact that it has a retracement here, which I don't really understand why, because I don't know if I can call this a cap and handle actually, but if I can call it a cap and handle, we made a flag here, which is a upwards flag, so the price should move upward from here. We broke the flag here, we went down again on the flag as support, and then break up again. I tried here to enter in two different prices, so here and here, but despite that, the fact that the price that is shown on the graph went below my entry point, the bid price didn't actually hit my take profit of 0.93145. So I didn't get into this position, I just got into this position, which represents a half of my risk, so 0.5%, but it's fine. It's a take profit of 56 francs, and so a stop loss of 24, I think, or more or less, let's say this. So it's still fine. It's not a bad risk reward. So it's a 2.32 risk reward. So this is all for today. We will see through the last day, which is tomorrow, and through this half day still that we have today, how the week ends. So before finishing, I just want to show you the platform. Here we see that we are on profit of around 50 francs for the Euro Aussie pair, and around 17 francs for the Australian dollar Canadian dollar pair. We see the graph is all of course the same, but yeah, we are around 70 francs of profit for now, and yeah, an equity of 4,950 francs. So we will see how this goes through the last day and a half of the week, and yeah, we will see tomorrow or Saturday how the positions went. Okay, so today is Saturday. Yesterday, Friday, didn't do any update because the price didn't change much. There were no special things to show. The price just went down a little bit, but I figured that I could explain you this today, so Saturday. So yeah, as I said, the price went down a little bit. On Thursday, when I did the second update, which is the first update of my positions, we were here with the price. And then just after the video, the price went down a little bit on the entry, almost on the entry. Actually, it went a little bit down from the entry, then went up again, and then made this kind of ABCD pattern. So if you see these should be the points, A, B, C, and D. As we see here, the RSI is diverging, so it's going up where the values are going down, and that's an upward divergence. So it's actually pretty nice. If you want, it's another reason why the price should move up. Another reason why the price should go up is the range of support that we have around here. I don't know where it starts exactly, but I know it ends right here on our entry point. So this is the end of the range, of the supporting range. So yeah, for the Aussie CAD pair, the strategy still holds. The conditions haven't changed. We should move up the next week. We will see. Of course, we could always hit the stop loss. That's always a thing that can happen. We will see actually the next week. Another pair that I'm trading is the Euro Aussie pair. As I told you Thursday, the same here happened. So we went down, we entered here, we went down, and we were in profit of around 50 francs. And this is Thursday. Actually, this should be Thursday when I did the update. Then we went up till the entry point and down again, forming this channel here that you can see right here. So we will see if we can actually break this channel, which would be great for us. And that I moved the stop loss here because I figured that if the price breaks these highs, the price action wouldn't be the same and it wouldn't follow the rules. That's my strategy rules. But if we can break this channel downwards, we can move the stop loss around here, so very close to our entry point, which would mean for us a break even. And yeah, but also on this pair the rules didn't change, so I see a downwards trend, a possible downward trend. So yeah, this is all for this week. As I said Tuesday, just remember to follow your plans, to make plans during the week, so to plan your week so that you can manage to study, to work, to go to school, to trade, and to study trading if you want to study trading. But actually everyone I think should plan their week, but especially if you want to trade, you will learn this as soon as you start trading. I learned this my third month or even my second month of trading, that I had to be consistent, and in order to be consistent I had to plan my week because I had many things to do. Again, this is all for this week. This is all for Saturday. We will see how the positions go the next week, but I will also analyze new pairs and see if we have new occasions to make money. So yeah, I'll see you next week. I'll see you in the next video.